Hi, welcome to One Task at a Time. I'm Marlena. For today's task, I am going to be cleaning my shower, specifically getting all of the hard water stains off of our shower doors. Okay, so to start, I'm going to remove all of the items out of the shower. And to clean it, I'm going to use Barkeeper's Friend. This stuff works really well to get hard water stains off of the shower doors. I will also use Method Anti-Bac. This one is in Wildflower Scent. And I will also be using a little blue scrubby that I got at the Dollar Tree. To rinse the shower doors and the shower walls, I'm just going to use a watering can that I got at IKEA. I use this because our shower head does not detach. Okay, so I'm going to use Barkeeper's Friend and my blue scrubby to scrub the bottom of my shower and the walls. Okay, so now I'm going to use the Method Glass and Surface Cleaner, and I'm going to wipe the shower doors on the outside, and then I'll go ahead and go on the inside of the shower and spray it down and wipe all of the shower doors on the inside as well. I'm using the Method Anti-Bath in Wildflower Scent to wipe down the bench in the shower. All right, the shower is clean. Where I live in Colorado, we have such bad hard water, so our doors do get like this often. But for now, this task is done. Thank you guys so much for watching.